Hello! Today I'm going to be unboxing this convertible car from Sylvanian Families. The cover shows us the chocolate rabbits sitting in our car, and the top side shows us the car next to the dress shop, and Frey is going to put a gift in our car, I think. And here are some variants of combination we've set with other Sylvanian sets, as cozy cottage starter home, city house with lights, hot dog van, brick home bakery, and boutique. Yeah, it's actually not a dress shop, it's boutique. And on the back side we can see our convertible car next to the seaside cruiser and the cozy cottage starter home. It also has a roof made of red fabric, and you can lower the roof or raise it. And here are all of the contents for set, and this is actually only our car with moving roof. So here are some instructions where you can find out how to stick the stickers, which are car numbers. Here is already our car, some cardboard. Here are the stickers and the collection catalog. So let's pull them out now. And now let's pull our car out. Wow, it looks really cool. Just look at this. Now we need to stick the stickers. Well, with our car, it's orange and really pretty. Well, actually I hate orange color, but this car looks really fancy. I also love this moving roof. I'm not sure about how it works. Maybe like this. Yeah, looks really nice. And here are the car numbers, the downside, and let's check what's inside. So here is our steering wheel. You can also change its location and set to the right. Here is also a speedometer, a glove compartment, and stuff like that. And here is the place for 2 drinks. And I think that here is something like a trunk. You can put your purchases here Or for example, put a fishing rod. Well, I brought the cottontail rabbits to show you how they will look in our car. So let's put the father first, and then his son, like this. Let's see if their long ears will prevent the roof from rising. No, it works, which is really cool. Well, please guys, share the video with your friends if it's not difficult. Love you all. Bye.